Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And today I'm going to show you how you can see comment on any Twitter post. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Twitter application or X as it is called nowadays. Click it here and now find the post that you want to see the comment. Suppose I'm gonna want to see this post comments, but as you can see, if I click the comment option, uh, it just say post your reply, but I cannot see others comments. There is no dedicated button to see others comment. Now to see this, all you have to do is select this date option. It is said 1 day earlier this post was made. It may be 5 hours, 2 hours, depending on the post. Just click that option, and now if I scroll down the post, I can see all the comments made by people. And in this way, in this exact way, you can see any post comment on your Twitter account. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.